Alright, ready na daw atong grade 9 Red Panthers. How about our grade 10 Ferocious Wolves? Go fight queen. Alright. Next team we have the grade 11 Purple Sharks. Alright, and our Kuya at Ate ng Dangkagan National High School. Dito magpalupig silang mga manghol.
Has Nadia. Kita ka Nadia.
Thank you. Okay, once again, the grade 12 Black Ops.
1, 2, 3, go!
Intramural siya guys sa Dangkagan National High School. Dito si Nadia. Ang anak ko. Saan kaya yan?